Today I am going to discuss a very important topic of matrix, that is multiplication of matrix. Now suppose if you want to multiply two matrix, that is A and B, here you have to see the orders. So suppose A is of order m by n and B is the order of n by p. So these two things should be same and your AB will be of order m by p. Okay, let's take a numeric value. Suppose P is of order 3 4 and Q is of order 4 3. So these two are same. So you will get PQ, that will be of order 2 by 3. So this thing is very important. Now here I have taken a 2 by 2 matrix. Both are 2 by 2 matrix. Now we will see how we will find out the elements. Now you can see these two are 2 by 2 matrix. So resulting will be, this is 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. So the resulting will be also a 2 by 2 matrix. So you will get something A11, A12, A22 or A22. So here you will get A21 and A22. This type of matrix you will get. Now we will see how to find out these terms. Now check this. If you have to find out A11, so for doing A11, you have to see the A11 means first row belongs to first row and first column. So for finding that only you will do, you will take the first row and we will take the first column. So your A11 will be 1 into 0. You have to multiply this 1 with this 0 plus 2 into this 2. So like this you will get your A11. Now if you want to get your A12, so for finding A12, what we will do, the same thing, the first row you will take, but now instead of 1 we will take the second column. So it can be written as 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1. So now this will be your A12. Now for finding A21, what we will do, we will not take the first row, here we will take the second row. So second row and the first column we will take. So it will be 3 into 4 plus 4 into 3 into 0 and 4 into 2, and your A22 will be 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 1. So now after simplifying you will get the value. So that is 0 plus 4, and here you get 0 plus 8, here you get 1 minus 2 and 3 minus 4. So your resulting matrix will be 4 minus 1, 8 minus 1. I hope this is clear. Now I've taken a matrix here. This is the order of this is 2 by 3 and order of this matrix is 3 by 2. Now you can multiply, you can see this, these two are same. So the resulting matrix of again order 2 by 2. Now here also to get A11, what we will do, the same thing, the first row and the first column. So here it will be 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 plus 1 into 0. I hope this now you're getting. Now to find out A12, what we will do, A11, but instead of this we will take now the second column. So your A12 will be 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2 plus 5 into 1. The same way, now for finding the second row, we will take the second row of the first matrix, and then for A21 we will take the first column and the second row. So it will be 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1. And now for the A22 second row and second column, so it will be 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 5 into 1. 1 into 4, 0 into 2 and 1 into 5. I hope this is clear. Now you just have to simplify that one, so you will get the answer. So it will be 4 plus 3 plus 0, and here it will be 8 plus 6 plus 5. It will be 2 plus 0 plus 0, and it will be 4 plus 0 plus 5. So your resulting matrix will be 7 19, 2 and 9. So this will be a resulting matrix. Now this type of question is very important also, and students do mistakes in this type of question. Now see the order of the first matrix. The order of the first matrix is, it is a row matrix. So here we have only one row, but we have 3 columns, and in this second one is the column matrix, where we have 3 rows and 1 column. So again we can see here, so we will get a matrix of order 1 by 1, means after solving this you will get a matrix in which you will get only A11. The order of matrix is 1 by 1. So now we will find out how can we do this. So again, what we will do, for finding A11 you know already, you have to take the first row and the first column. Only this thing you have here, so that only we'll do here. So that will be 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 6, and then adding you will get the result. So that will be 4 plus 10 plus 18, and your answer will be 32. So this is your answer here. Now what if I'll change the order? Now I've taken 4, 5, 6 as a first matrix and 1, 2, 3 as a second matrix. Now here you can see, now in the previous matrix I've changed the order. So now I have this matrix 1, 2, 3 is a column matrix, that is, the order is 3 by 1, and this one is a row matrix with 1 by 3. So now your resulting matrix A, your resulting matrix will be of order 3 by 3. So let's find out how and what we will get here. So now for finding the first one, you should know what is your first row. This is your first row and this is your first column, only one you have. So A11 will be only 1 into 4. Now A12 will be this first element, is the first row with the second column, so that will be 1 into 5. The same way the third one will be 1 into 6. Now to find out the second row, we will take the second element, the second row, that is 2. So then this will be 2 into 4, 2 into 4, 2 into 5, and the next one will be 2 into 6. Like second row, third column, you'll get the third element A23. Second row, second column, you'll get A22. Now for the third row, we will take the third row, that is 3. So here it will be 3 into 4, A31. Third row, first column. Third row, second column, you'll get A32. And the next one will be 3 into 16. You have to just simplify it and you will get the answer. So your answer will be 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12, 15 and 18. So this is your resulting matrix. I hope this is clear, and with this these two examples you can also conclude that AB is not equals to BA, means the product of two matrices is not commutative. Now let's see some properties of multiplication. So multiplication, as we have seen already, that AB is not equals to BA, that means it is not commutative. The product or the multiplication of two matrices is not commutative, that we have seen. This is the first point. The matrix follows the associative property, that if you have 3 matrices, then A, B, C will be equals to A, B, C. So the multiplication of matrix is associative. Now in the multiplication we have an identity element I, with which if you multiply any matrix you will get the same matrix A. Okay. Now what is identity matrix? Identity matrix is a square matrix. Now here the I can be of order 2, it can be of order 3. So just let me tell you what is it. Suppose we have I2. I2 means identity matrix of order 2. So that will be 1, 0, 0, 1. Means only in the diagonal there will be 1 and the rest of the elements will be 0. order 2 means this, so means there will be 2 rows and 2 column. Identity matrix of order 3 will have 3 rows and 3 columns. I hope this is clear. And one more important thing, sometimes the student get confused, like they think that this is also a identity matrix, but this is not identity matrix. So only this way, like the A11, only when A11, A22, A33 all will be 1, then only it will be identity matrix, otherwise it will not be a identity. And then you have when 0 matrix, all the elements, if all the elements are 0, then if you multiply that 0 matrix with any matrix, then the result will be also 0. So these are some properties of multiplication. Now you can try the sums.